Hello, hope your day's going well. I was asked the other day about two-way tables, so I thought I would share this with you on how to solve them. So I've made up a scenario. Angel is doing a survey to see what pets the people in her class had. There are 30 people altogether. Complete the two-way table with the following information. So what I would do is I would start with the information that they've given us. So if I just grab a pen. There's 30 people in the class, so we can scribble that in. Excuse my handwriting, and we can cross that out because we know that's done. Of the 30 children in the class, that's done. 14 were boys. So let's pop that there. Done. Of the 18 people who had dogs, so the total number who had dogs was 18. 11 of those were girls. Okay, so that's done and that's done. 5 boys, so follow the boys line along and come down, meet where the cats are. And we've got 5 boys had cats. Okay. 2 of the 5 people who had rabbits were boys. So we know that 5 people who had rabbits. So the total number who had rabbits is 5. And 2 of those were boys. So we can pop that in there. Okay, so that's done, that's done. So now we've got the bases, we can choose where we want to go next. So our options that we can do are, let me just grab a different colour. We need places where there's 2 bits of information already received, or in other words, only 1 bit left. So we could do this one, we could do that one, or we could do that one. In fact, we could do any of the boxes because they've all got places where there's just 1 blank. So I'm going to suggest that we do, actually, can't do that one. Let's start with the total number of girls. That's a fairly straightforward one. So we've got 30 children altogether, and 14 of those are boys. So there's 13, and we've already used 14. So if we do 30, take 14, 10 take 4 is 6, 2 take 1 is 1. So we know there's 16 girls. So that's that one sorted. There's 5 people have, if we do this one next, the rabbits, how many girls had rabbits? We know there's 5 people altogether who have rabbits, and 2 of those are boys. So again, if we go 5 take 2, this is 5 in total, 2 are boys, so whoever's left must be a girl. So that's going to be a 3. So we can pop a 3 in there. Let's work out how many people had cats altogether. So this one, because there's 30 people altogether, we know that 18 of those people had dogs and 5 of those people had rabbits. So that's 18 plus 5 means 18 plus 5 is 23. So we know what 23 of those people have already got. So we need to just have whatever's left will be the owners of the cats. So that means 30, take the 23 we've already added up. That's going to be 30. 10 take 3 is 7, 2 take 2 is nothing. So 7 people had cats. And now we can simply go 7 people in total have cats, take away the boys, will leave us with the girls. So 7 take 5 is 2. Or alternatively, we could have done 11 girls had dogs, 4 had 3, sorry, 3 had rabbits, and there's 16 in total. So 11 plus 3 is 14. There's 16 altogether, so if we'd done 16 take 14, that would have also taken us back to 2 girls having cats. So it's a case of putting in the initial information. Sometimes they'll give you some of it already in the table. So put the initial information into the table, and then once you've got that, just work back. So where there's just 1 gap in a line, like there was 1 gap there, there was 1 gap there. If we had gone, let's undo that. If we had gone, oh, we haven't worked out the dogs with boys. So dogs with boys, there's 18 altogether who have dogs. If we take away the 11 girls who already have dogs, that will leave us with 7 there. So pick the bits we can use, make sure you fill them all in. And where there's just 1 gap, that's where you can work from. So if once we'd got the, actually they'd given us that. So that meant there was just 1 gap here, so we could do that, which then meant there was just, once we'd got that, we could do this. And it's just a case of picking the bits we can do. I hope that makes sense. Good luck with it. And if there's anything else you want us to do videos on, please do give us a shout and ask. I'm more than happy to do it. Have a great day and good luck with your maths. Take care. Bye.